was written by
Micah, Hunter,
Pierce,
Jesse,
Talulah, Tess, Alma, Eve, Roger. And this is our story.
Woo! And it's called The Little Weird Pencil That Needed to Draw. Hi, I'm Banana Peel, and I'm a weird little pencil who's square-shaped. I live here in the school factory. It's called the Very Haunted Place. It's a living. Well, I'm so bored and I need something to do. I want to draw. All I can do is stomp my feet. I know. I demand a piece of paper. Oh, it worked. Thanks. 1, 2.
Sorry.
We need the paper to build more cardboard.
Hey, I was using that. I guess it's back to stomping my feet.
All right, bring it back, bring it back. Come on, keep going, keep going. Yeah, you're good. And stop.
How's it going?
Hey!
I'm Eraser from Eraser's Paper Company. I got a paper delivery today.
Oh, hi, Eraser. I'm Banana Peel,
Nice
and
to meet you, Banana Peel.
I can sign for that.
Excellent. If you could just sign right here, and right here,
Okay.
and right over here,
All right.
and over here,
Okay.
and down here,
All right, last one.
and over here on the next page,
Okay.
and one more right down here.
All right.
Thank you very much.
All right, Dad, next delivery, we gotta go.
Next delivery, let's roll. Call me if you need me.
Yeah. Wow. I've got so much paper I can finally draw something with my tip. I'm gonna color my favorite animal, a cheetah, while it's eating ice cream. Voila. Oh, I'll title it Cheetah Eating Ice Cream.
Hey there, that's a really nice drawing you got there.
Thanks. It's for sale.
Is it really? I'd love to buy it. How much?
$1 trillion.
Oh, you know what? I think I have just that much. Oh, yeah, I'm right. Here you go.
Whoa, thanks. Here you go. Whoa.
Let's go.
Go ahead, painting. You're all his now. How about that? I've been transformed into a trillionaire. I've got to make a call.
Yeah, hello? This
Hi.
is Eraser from Eraser's Paper Company. How can I help you?
Hey, Eraser, it's Banana Peel.
Banana Peel,
Yeah.
how you been?
Oh, good, you old thing. Anyway, I'm calling you on some business.
On business, okay, what can I get for you today?
I need some magic paper that can glow. Some mystical paper, I believe it's called magic paper.
Mystical paper that can glow. Hey, Junior,
Yeah, Dad.
we got any mystical paper that can glow?
Yeah,
Yeah, how much?
like a whole lot.
A whole lot? We got a whole lot of that. How much you need?
As much as you got?
As much as we can give you. Load up that truck. All right, we'll be there in 20 minutes. Bye-bye now, Banana Peel.
Bye.
All right, bye-bye.
Yes.
All right, back it up, back it up. Keep coming, you're good, you're good. All right, and stop.
The
Banana Peel.
Eraser. Yeah.
That's my guy right
Good
here.
to see you.
All right, I got your paper delivery for you right
Perfect.
here.
And I've got
Box
the money.
of mystical paper
And that's
the money.
for you.
All right, excellent.
Dad, the paperwork.
Paperwork. Who
Why'd
can
you
forget
have
the
to
paperwork?
remind him?
All right, if I could just have you sign right here.
All right.
And right over here.
Okay.
And down over here.
All right.
And over here.
Okay.
And down here.
Last one.
And on the next page.
All right.
Right over here. And
Okay.
lastly, right over
All right.
here. Thank you very much.
Gotta go next delivery.
Next delivery. Load up. Let's go. Roll out.
Look at all my mystical paper. This is the best life ever. But to be continued next time in a million years. The end.
We are the story wranglers.